Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to unravel the mystery of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. If you have ever wondered what these buzzwords actually mean or how they are transforming the world around us, stick around. This video will make it all crystal clear, even if you are completely new to these topics. So, what is artificial intelligence? AI is the broadest concept here. It's about machines doing tasks that typically requires human intelligence. Imagine a robot that plays chess or your smartphone's voice assistant. These systems are designed to mimic human behavior, like reasoning, problem solving, or understanding the language. AI is like teaching a computer to think, but on a very basic level. Uh, so, for a simple metaphor, AI is like a tool that can cut vegetables. You give it a job and it does it with precision, but it does not get better at doing on its own. Other examples are Alexa and Siri, basically responding to your commands. Is machine learning is subset of AI. This is where things get more exciting. Machine learning is like teaching the machine how to learn. Instead of explicitly programming it to do every single task, we give it data and it figures out patterns on its own. For example, think of how Netflix recommends shows. It learns you it learns what you like based on your viewing history and gets better at suggesting content over time. It's as if you teach a chef to cook by showing them recipes, and over time, they create new dishes based on what they have learned. So, that's the machine learning. And then now let's talk about deep learning, which is a specialized part of machine learning. Deep learning uses neural networks inspired by human brain. These networks are designed to handle massive amounts of data and solve complex problems. Here is a relatable example. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals. You, sh- you show them thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. Over time, the child starts identifying them, even when the pictures are slightly different. Deep learning works similarly. It's a technology behind things like facial recognition on your phone or self-driving cars. It's what powers systems that can make sense of very complicated and diverse information. Deep learning as building a skyscraper, where each layer is like a floor, helping the system make better decisions as it goes higher. Finally, let's dive into generative AI or Gen AI. This is a specific type of AI focused on creating new content. It can generate realistic images, write text, compose music, or even create videos. For example, tools like ChatGPT, which writes essays, other LLMs like Stable Diffusion generates stunning art. Think of generative AI as an artist who can paint pictures or write poems based on your ideas. You give it a prompt and it create something entirely new from scratch. To sum it up, artificial intelligence is a big umbrella that mimics human behavior. Machine learning helps machines learn and improve from experience. Deep learning dives deeper into complex problems mimicking the human brain. And generative AI takes creativity to the next level by generating new content. Whether it's Netflix recommending your next Bingworthy series or an app turning your sketches into digital art, these technologies are shaping our world in a fascinating ways. Thanks for watching. I hope this cleared up the confusion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such beginner friendly explanations. Thank you.